Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So a few months back, I installed a brand new splitter on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300, and I also installed some carbon fiber rear bumper extensions. Well, the more that I look at my car, the more I start to realize the pieces don't really match. So what I did was I took them off and I decided to go searching for a full kit that matches all the way around the car. And to be honest, there's not a lot of resellers selling an entire ground effects kit for this car. However, I finally found one, and it's actually from my existing sponsor, Maxton Design USA. So Maxton Design USA, they actually supplied me with my front splitter and my side skirt extensions for my 2014 Audi R8 Spider, and that came out awesome. And apparently they have a splitter, side skirt extensions, and rear bumper extensions for the Mercedes C43. I know my car is not a C43, but the C300 Sport actually has the same front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper as the C43. So all those pieces should fit on my car perfectly fine. And if you're wondering if your car is a C300 Luxury Edition or C300 Sport, the main differences are the front bumper of the Sport actually has larger openings, the side skirts are completely different, and the rear bumper of the C300 Sport has an air vent. Well, it's a fake air vent, but you get the point. So before I show you the products that I'm going to be installing on the car, I want to thank Maxton Design for sponsoring this video and providing me with those products. Again, if you're not familiar with Maxton Design USA, they offer great quality products that fit really well, and they come at a really affordable price. So definitely, if you're interested in these parts for your car, or if you're looking for Aero parts for other cars, definitely check out Maxton Design in the link below. So now, let me show you the products, and then we'll get to the install. So here's what I'm installing today. We got the front splitter, and I love the way this is designed. It should flow nicely with the front bumper. And then we have this side skirt extensions. Again, a really solid design. And then my favorite are the rear bumper extensions. I like the fact that it doesn't just go on the side, but it also wraps around the back. So all of these are made of durable plastic, and they're gloss black. So it has this protective film over the gloss black, and they're actually really light. So the front splitter and the rear bumper extensions, they come with bolts. However, I'm not going to use these. Instead, I'm going to mount them using some high quality double-sided tape, and then I'm going to mount them with these self-tapping screws using my trusty cordless ratchet. For the side skirt extensions, they actually came with self-tapping screws, so I'm just going to go ahead and use these. Now let's go ahead and get these installed on the car. First step is just to line up the splitter with the front bumper, just to make sure everything fits nice and snug. Next, I'm going to peel back the protective film. And then I'm going to line the inside of the splitter with the double-sided tape. Next, I'm going to grab some 70% isopropyl alcohol and thoroughly clean the bottom of the bumper. And I'm going to peel back some of the red film on the double-sided tape, primarily the center, and then only halfway on the sides. And now I can go ahead and mount it to the bumper. So once it's nice and aligned, I can push on it firmly and secure it in place, and then work on the sides. And once it's mounted up, I can go ahead and start screwing in the self-tapping screws every 6 to 8 inches. Now the same process for the side skirts, holding it up just to make sure that it lines up properly, peel back the protective film, line it with some double-sided tape, wipe down the bottom of the car, peel back the red film, mount the side skirt extensions to the car. And then once it's fully mounted using the double-sided tape, I can go ahead and start screwing in the self-tapping screws every 6 to 8 inches. And now I'm just going to repeat the same process for the rear bumper extensions. Well, here it is, guys. I think that looks awesome. Let's check out the front. It flows really nice with the stock front bumper. And it actually looks pretty aggressive, but subtle at the same time. I really like the way that looks. So let's look at the side skirt. Again, nice and flush with the edge. Flows really nice. And the rear bumper extensions, I love the way they look. It's not just the side, but it goes all the way around. And it matches up nicely with the side skirts. Yeah, that just looks so good. I love the way this looks. And when you look straight on the backside, it just looks so aggressive. Yeah, that's so badass. I love it. I love the way this turned out. Well, there you have it. I think it looks awesome. The car looks really aggressive no matter what angle you look at the car, and everything just flows nicely. Thanks again to Maxton Design USA for sponsoring this video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.